Good morning, this is Dr. Moein. I'm here with my lovely patient who's a 71-year-old gentleman who has two hernias. One is an umbilical hernia that you see over here. The second one is an inguinal hernia. And this inguinal hernia is all the way down into the inguinal canal and outside the external canal and into the scrotum. And this is a pretty giant hernia. So what we're going to do laparoscopically, we're going to try to reduce this. If we can reduce this laparoscopically and place a mesh from inside, we're going to save this gentleman a significant amount of pain and morbidity associated with the open repair. If we can't do it, what we're going to do is we're going to reduce it and put the mesh from above. All right, join me, let's get this fixed.
All right, we're starting inguinal hernia on this lovely gentleman. He's got this big hernia and I want you guys to see it. Now we're going into this hernia that goes all the way down into the scrotal sac. This is a pretty impressive hernia. And what we have to do is we have to peel off all this covering that we see over there. And then we have to place a mesh and separate these vessels carefully, dissect them around, and then place a mesh and then reduce this hernia down where it belongs, okay? So we've completed the first part of the operation, which is dissecting all the cord structures, bringing the peritoneum down, and now we're gonna start putting the mesh in the pelvis. The mesh placement in the pelvis, deep in the pelvis, allows for protection of the pelvis floor and strengthening the pelvic floor without causing any extra pain and discomfort on the patient. So look over there, please. These are the cord structure. This is what goes into the cord and goes into the scrotum. These blood vessels is what we dissected and took the peritoneum, that covering off. So we have placed the mesh now in the pelvis floor. I want to show you how the mesh is playing on the floor, okay? So this is the mesh and it's covering it pretty nicely from all sides. And there is one tacker over there because this mesh is a very special mesh. It attaches itself to the tissue, so we don't need to put too many anchors. And there's one more over there, anchor over there, and one laterally. All right, so we have now covered the whole entire floor with that peritoneal structure that we took down. You can see nicely covered. There is no holes. Everything is confluent, and we're done with this segment of the operation, which is laparoscopic repair of the inguinal hernia that was incarcerated in the pelvic floor. So you can see all that bulge is gone, reduced, umbilical hernia is repaired, 3 small little incisions to do 2 big hernias. So this is the completion of the operation. You can see that there is no more hernia bulge over here, and the floor is now flat, and 2 hernias are fixed. One inguinal hernia, the floor is fixed with mesh. One umbilical hernia, the ceiling of the abdominal wall is fixed with mesh.